Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add more pages on your Godaddy website. First, log into your account, then on the top right corner, click on your name and go to your product section. In here, you'll see the list of your websites, so just go ahead and select the one that you want to work with. Once inside the site dashboard, on the right side, go and click on the Edit Website button. Once inside the editor, to add more pages, on the right panel, you just simply need to click on this plus sign button. Then, from the options, select New Page. But for here, you need first to upgrade your plan to add more pages to your website. But once you've upgraded, you'll be able to add new pages as much as you'd like to. And that's just basically it. That's how easy it is to add more pages on your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.